everybody. So we're going to do percentages, which I really like because I love percentages. And if I'm talking about percentages, I can't help but think about sales. And I am a big shopper, so I love shopping. So percents. And then there's going to be another video that's going to deal with percent of change. So right at the top of your paper, I need you to put in this formula. Okay, so here's your percent. This is A over B, so a certain number out of the whole. So a part over the whole gives your percent out of 100. Okay, and we're going to be working on using the concept of this and cross multiplying, which is something that is so much fun to do. Okay, and I say that by so much fun because a lot of kids like to actually do that. Okay, so I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to divide it just in half here, so I can just start giving you a whole bunch of different problems. Are you ready? What is what percent of 25 is 17? Okay, so what percent of 25 is, so I've got my, so first of all, I'm looking for my percent, aren't I? Because that's what it says here, okay? That's not a 90, that's a percent. So right away, I'm going to take and I'm going to plug in an X over 100 because that's what I'm looking for. So the question is, what's the part and what's the whole? So what percent of 25 is 17? The is 17 part is really your part, and the 25 is your of part. So it's really is over of, okay? Just a secret, equals 25. All right, are you ready for the fun part? Okay, lost my fancy calculator. Oh, here it is. All right, friends, here you go. This is what you do. Cross multiply. 25 times x is 25x. 17 times 100 is 1700. So what is clear? Oh, by the way, 25 times what gives you 1700? What can I do here? That's right, you divide by 25 on each side. So x equals 1700 divided by 25. That's 68. 68 what? 68%. I don't have to go ahead and multiply it by anything. The percent it's already there. Okay. All right, here's your chance. What percent of 136 is 51? All right, stop the video and you come up with the equation. Okay, friends, hopefully you put an x over 100 because I'm looking for the percent. And then I told you the is your part and the of is your whole. Okay, super easy. What's 136 times x? 136x. I always put it on this side. I don't know why, it's force of habit. And what's 51 times 100? 5100. Use our plain Jane calculator or regular calculator to divide by 36. So 5100 divided by, 136. And I get x is equal to 37.5%. Okay, friends. Now let's switch it up, okay? What number is 15% of 88? Ooh, did you hear those words? Ooh, is what number is? Well, let's do easy stuff. I'm given the percent. Wow, I'm missing the is. That's the A part. Okay, I'm missing that, but I do have the of. Okay, well that's easy. I still cross multiply. Okay, 88 times 15, because I always do that first. Notice that I always did that. 88 times 15 equals 1320 equals x times 100. Well, notice I've got my x on this side, so I'm going to divide by 100, aren't I? Oh, that means I'm going to move the decimal place 2 spots. So what is that? Well, that's 13.2 equals x. Now, wait a second. Do I put a percent? No, 13.2 is my answer for x. Okay, is my answer for x. Okay. What is 20% of 30? Okay, so let's think about this as a shopping question. Okay, I'm going to the store and I have a $30 pair of jeans. What's 20% of that would be my sale, like 20% off. So you're trying to find what 20%, okay? So A over B equals percent over 100. So do your easy part. Well, I know 20%, okay? So what, oh, number. The number is part is what I'm missing, but I know that my jeans cost 30 bucks. So again, 30 times 20 is 600. And this is 100x. Okay, divide by 100. Wow, that's going to be easy, isn't it? X is 6. Now, hang on a sec. When we start talking like 20% off, this is what I would have to subtract from 30 to pay that money, okay? So be careful when we start thinking of real life stuff. 20% of that, 20% off, I'd have to take $6 off, okay? I'm not really only paying $6. That would be a great deal though, okay? All right, last type. 20 is 12.5% of what number? Okay, here we go. 20 is percent over 100. So do the easy part. Get your percent in there. Okay, now look for the clues. Ooh, 20 is. Ooh, that goes on top. Oh, I don't know what of is. That goes on the bottom. Well, that's not. I'm all set to go. X times 12.5 is 12.5x equals 20 times 100, which is 2,000. Divide each side by 12.5. And 2,000 divided by 12.5 is 160. So 20 over 160 is 12.5%. Okay, an approval rating. So 43 is 52% of what number? So when I surveyed the student body, 43 students said they liked Bosco cheese sticks. Okay, well, how many students were surveyed altogether? Well, A over B equals percent over 100. All right, we'll do the easy part, 52 out of 100. Now, 43 is, that goes on top. Of is what I'm missing. There we go. X times 52 is 52x. 43 times 100 is 4,300 divided by 52. And 4,300 divided by 52 is 82.7. Now, can we have 82.7 students? Well, you know, I'm picking these numbers out of my head. So out of 82.7 students, 43 said they liked Bosco cheese. Now, stop and think. 52 is over half, right? So does that make sense? Is 40 about half of 80? So stop and do a common sense check on each of these. All right, friends, now it's your time to practice.